What's poppin' and welcome to Popcorn with Chola Sadiaran, your stop for all things pop, where we talk about all things pop culture from here in the Philippines to the rest of the globe. And welcome back.
Yeah.
We are all right here
Yes.
for a very special anniversary
Yeah.
episode.
Period.
I guess let's get crazy. Let's and start our episode right away. Wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's introduce the rest of the panel for today's episode. Okay, let's start here.
Hello, I'm Budi.
Welcome back.
That's pretty much it. I'm just a fan. That's why I'm here.
She's just an ordinary girl.
Okay. Hi, I'm Janine, and I am also just an ordinary girl. Nobody's perfect.
And she's the bastion of editing.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, thank you. Thank
Our clip
you.
editor. And he might even be a rock star. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Hi, I'm Yael of Sponge Cola. And yeah, hi. Hello. I have
And
no
he's-
slogan.
He might not even be. He's actually a rock
Yeah.
star. And welcome back. It's been like years since Yael's first episode here.
That was
It's like 2019. We were talking about Game of Thrones.
Juego de Tronos.
Oo nga, gumawa ka pa nun.
The run.
And
Hi, I'm
it's also your second time. You were here for Ben and Ben at some point.
Kaya yung interview nyo na
Oh, di ba?
yes. Oh my God.
Also, but first time na ikaw lang
Yeah, I
representing.
know. Medyo nakabahan ako kasi I don't usually do this alone. But hi, I'm Pat of Ben and Ben. And sabi nga ni Hannah Montana, I've got nerve.
Wow! Don't you wish you could be a Pat Fly on the wall?
Oy!
Sorry, that's my game name.
May name kasi siya na Pat Fly. So,
That's nice.
That's cute.
Nice.
and finally,
Hi, I'm Perns. I'm back again. And wala, last minute din ang pagdating ko rito. So, but I guess life's what you make it.
so let's make
Let's
it
it rock.
rock. Let's make it rock. So come on. Okay. So yun na nga, we're all here because we're all fans of Hannah Montana. I could not resist the opportunity to just have a whole episode dedicated to Miss Montana herself. And of course, Miley Cyrus. Miss Montana! But not related to other people.
Not related to Cesar.
But anyway, before we head to the meat of the episode, to the Crowley corner, what's poppin' for us this week? We usually talk about what we're listening to, watching, what we're just obsessed with this week before we head into our main topic. Of course, I will begin. You guys haven't seen or heard from me in a month or more because I've just been playing Pokopia on Switch too. It's just so addicting. And it's just like, only Hannah Montana got me out of that, like, rabbit hole. But Pokopia, it's so good. It's just like so addicting. It feels like 2020 all over again. That's kind of like the sign of the times. And speaking of the sign of the times, Project Hail Mary.
Ah, yeah.
So good.
Oh,
I must promote it. Amaze.
Amazing.
Ang ganda talaga niya na like, I don't wanna like spoil it, but
Just
it's
be
like
popular
one of the
box.
early 2026 like
from
box office
Yeah,
hits.
for sure.
And it's kind of like a new Interstellar of sorts.
In a way.
But also different kasi I think magustuhan nyo.
Yeah.
And watch it on IMAX because
Must.
just the aspect ratio on
Changes,
IMAX
yeah.
of the space scenes. Just watch it. 2 thumbs down.
Ano?
What else? I have so many dahil ang tagal na since our last episode. Hoppers, also so good.
Yeah.
So unhinged.
Good.
One of Disney's like special things in the first for the first time in a while.
In a
Na
while.
Parang sobrang unique. And yeah, Hoppers, we watched it together. It was just really crazy. And finally, Hearts to Hearts, this song called Rude, because I'm obsessed with that bridge. You know what it said to me? You're like so rude.
Okay.
It's like, anyway, you have to listen to it. It's my side of the internet. Ikaw, what's poppin' for you this week?
For me, well, Harry Styles' new album.
Yes.
Over.
Yes. Yes.
It's all the time. Disco occasionally. So good.
Favorite song?
Ooh, Taste Back. But it
Ready,
changes
set,
every day.
go.
And Ready, Steady, Go.
Ready, set, ready, set.
Mali ka pa.
Mali.
Fan.
Nako.
So yon, I've been listening to that a lot. And then nag-pause lang siya for a bit because I watched NCT Dream in concert.
Hannah Montana?
And yes, also Hannah Montana. So I would say, aside from Harry, medyo nag-comeback yung K-pop stan self ko. So I've been listening to a lot of NCT again.
And I think it's all gonna be related later to Hannah Montana, no?
Yeah, true. So yun yung mga poppin' for me.
What's popping for me is I'm obsessed with the Percy Jackson Disney show.
Season
Like it, season 2. I really like season 2. And they're gonna come out with season 3 this year na. So it's pretty fast. So I would
they
say...
shot back to back.
Yeah. So after season 2, nag-announce na season 3. And then literally the end of season 2, they already gave a teaser of season 3. And they finished wrapping a few weeks ago. So I'd recommend watching it. Because my fear is what if people don't watch it, baka hindi na matuloy. Because this is the
Correct.
first time na ma-adapt yung Titan's Curse.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, cause yung Logan Lerman only ended up Sea of Monsters. So I really, really wanna push people to watch it. And it's really good.
They need to finish it this
guys,
time.
the chemistry of the Annabeth and Percy here, it's giving Tom Dea. It's giving Tom Dea. But it's all, yeah. So I would
Congrats
really...
on the wedding.
Yeah, congrats on the
Question mark?
wedding. Yeah, confirmed, pero with Robert Pattinson din for the drama of Percy Jackson and One Piece live action. I watched season 2 recently. It's pretty good. I like the casting, ganda ng effects, and I love the story of Chopper. I tried watching the anime.
That's the first time ni Chopper sa live action.
Yes. Well, it's supposed to be that's when he arrives.
Debut talaga.
Yeah, that's his debut talaga there in Drum Island. Pero I still am finishing the anime, but the season 2 is really good.
Well, the anime will never end, I feel.
Yeah. Sabi nga, the creator left the real One Piece somewhere in the ocean for people to look for.
Wow.
Yeah. So parang, if you want to look for it daw, hanapin niyo. Pero parang, wow. Mga
So how long will the live action last?
They talked about already, and there's the creator, si Oda Sensei. He has a specific place where he wants the live action
To end.
compared to the anime.
Ah, okay. So he'll condense it
kasi
somehow.
I feel ko di kaya din kasi tumatanda na rin yung mga...
Saka yung anime naman, ang daming filler episodes.
Yeah, madaming filler episodes and very condensed din yung past 2 seasons. So, yes. Percy Jackson, One Piece. Yeah.
This is gonna sound so self-absorbed, but kasi I've been living a very analog life. So as a person who runs 10K minimum every day, I see a lot of things happening. So I've been watching a lot of people living life around the Oval in UP. Tapos earlier today, someone absent-mindedly crossed and nearly caused a giant carambola of runners. So I'm thinking maybe we
Accidentally
should,
crossed. What?
like the running path. Like absent-mindedly just kind of walked while everyone was running and like
So
massive
karambola ng tao.
potential massive carambola. I kind of caught her a bit, kind of elbowed her too in a way because parang boom and then caught her. And I'm thinking we need to teach people like life lessons from an analog standpoint. Ngayon, because all I do is run and all I do is record music, our own music. So we released a song recently featuring, hindi na featuring yun eh, with Gigi Delana. So it's called Nagihilom. And it's gravitas. It's very heavy. It's a heavy song about healing. Because how can you separate what healing is and what is a waste of time? Are you really healing or are you just trying to fix something that shouldn't even be touched?
Wow.
So, yeah, parang are you really healing if you're sweeping things under the rug? Or if you by facing it head on, are you just making things or everything bigger than they should be? So, yun, questions like that. So, heavy, analog and digital. So it's so self-absorbed kasi it's like the digital part is our song. So, pero at least dahil collab siya, it's only half self-absorbed. And since I'm in a band, I'm 1/4.
No, because
Even smaller.
related din yan to Hannah Montana. Healing your inner child.
Because, but they're all connected din naman eh, kasi naghihilom din naman basically if you watch Hannah Montana from start to finish, may realize mo na sobrang laking issue nung idea na, that's why there's one season, I think season 1 ends with the appearance of Brooke Shields.
Yeah.
Kasi basically, parang she grew up na wala yung mom niya eh. So, parang she's like 2 girls in one. Tapos without a mom, but the mom is always in her mind. So, Brooke Shields.
Mother. Thank you.
Healing.
And Pat?
Si Kuya Yael, magpa-plug na din ako. Okay. So, what's poppin' with me? We just turned in like one of our songs, fresh from recording, fresh from mastering, over to you. Over to you guys. I'm not really sure when it's gonna be out kasi I'm not really good with dates, but we just sent in yung song namin na Lifetime. Yeah, lifetime Reimagine. Kasama, mahalaga yung
5-year
Reimagine.
anniversary. Ganun.
5-year
5 years na ba?
Yung lifetime.
20 yun eh. So 6.
Oh my God.
6 years ni lifetime.
So yeah, so like 5-6 years after the first version, we're releasing this new whole other version. So excited kami doon. Sana ma-receive siya ng maganda ng mga tao kasi there's a new verse, there's a new instrumental. Dami spoiler, pero okay lang. I mean,
Actually, nasa TikTok naman.
Pinost na ba? Pinapost na.
TikTok na.
Sorry.
Oo.
Medyo nagmi-mix din ako ng analog and digital and stuff. Pero, yun, ano pa ba? Aside from the band stuff, might be late to the party, pero binge-watch ko yung Heated Rivalry.
Ah!
We've been...
Wait. Kailangan ko ikwento kung paano ko siya binge-watch. So, I downloaded it for our long flight to Dubai.
Interesting.
I know.
Dubai.
Dubai of all places.
Dubai of all
Malay ko naman
places.
kung saan siya. Like, people were just messaging me na parang, "Pat, kailangan mo."
People will...
Ito na nga, wait lang. So, people would message
Exactly what
me.
you
I told him not to watch it on the
plane, yeah.
Dinidiem ako ng mga friends ko saying na, "Pat, you should watch this, you should watch this." And I'm like, okay, just cause I'm game, appreciate ko to. But sige, panoorin ko. Sige, tapos dinownload ko sa phone thinking na, okay, baka walang maganda sa plane papunta. So, at least meron akong papanoorin. Then, ayan, pinapanood ko yung episode 1, tapos, hala, mamaya may bold. Mamaya may bold.
Na or nasa corner or
Okay, wait. Luckily for me, I'm seated with my bandmates.
Okay.
So, my bandmate, me, Agnes, everyone else around me,
Okay.
bandmates. Pero syempre yung mga dumadaan. May mga bold.
Yeah, brightness down.
We had this exact talk
We had this exact talk.
earlier this year.
Para watch it. No, you can't watch it on the plane eh.
My problem is, I can't stop watching it. So, ang ginagawa ko, kapag may nakikita na akong puwet, pinabas ko. Parang, no.
No, similar. My friend made timestamps of when it happens. Para mas skip ng friend.
Pero pag nanonood ka naman, di mo naman...
That's true. No, but he
You're not
gave
gonna
it...
look into the time, right?
No, but my friend gave it to a friend na ayaw manood ng ganon.
Bakit niya ayaw?
She's very conservative.
So what's the point,
Watching, yeah.
friend?
But art is an imitation of life.
Correct. But yun, that was also nice though, but I think, di ba, that's conservative, more she doesn't want to see it. Like, she's sensitive about it.
So, nanonood ako sa plane na kaganito.
So did you... Pinanood mo naman after ulit?
No, I finished it on the plane.
How was the cottage? Na-enjoy ba?
Yeah, I mean, that last episode was really nice. Parang, I couldn't think of like a better way to end the whole thing. Kasi hindi mo naman pwede i-erase yung struggle, di ba? And you know, not everything is gonna be like, I mean, maganda din na hindi siya inend na parang everything's alright. Alam mo yun? Pero, they ended with, it's going to be alright instead of na, it's okay. Ganun. Ayan lang.
Lovely.
That is my,
Yes.
Just so
that's
correct.
my what's
Correct.
popping.
They say it's very romantic though.
It is, by the end of it.
Yes.
All the
So, I really need to
message
see or hear what you think once you see it. I need to remind you pala every
Wait,
now and again. I think you will.
Well,
I think you will.
There's
Yeah.
It's for me.
Yeah, Elle's super into K-dramas and like all of that. So,
Yeah.
Prior.
and the beauty of the story kasi talaga.
Yeah.
Welcome back to our heated rivalry episode.
Back to the cottage.
Educating
Everyone.
others.
I see.
Yes.
So happy nung nakwento ko na siya kasi wala akong makausap about it. Thank you.
Yes.
But everyone heard it also, so
Pero babalik natin to kay Hannah Montana. Related pa rin.
Mga pala, no?
Finally, Ferns.
Yeah, so apart from yung dalawang movie, Hoppers and Project Hail Mary, which I think right now, best movies of the year so far.
Yes.
Nag-start na ako ng bagong series. So, nag-start na yung 50th season ng Survivor.
Ooh, I've heard good things.
Where are you watching this?
I'm watching,
A site called
it's a site called, yes.
Ang Suking
Kasi walang Paramount Plus
.com.
dito, that's why. Oo.
okay.
So, it's the first All-Star season in 10 seasons pa lang. But, so these are all arguably fan favorites. My God.
It's the quarter quell daw of
In a way, it is, yeah. In a way, it is. And so far, sobrang ganda. Like, there's been only
I've been
one.
seeing there's a lot of surprise like
Yes.
tribals.
Is there still rice?
Yes. No, this season walang rice.
Walang rice?
Walang rice. They did-
Mike White is back.
Mike White is back, yeah. As in talagang the
Like,
fans chose who
they
they
get
want
to-
to play.
yeah.
Well, most of them. But yeah, so far
I
enjoying
heard
it.
it's a really good
It's a
season.
really good season so far. And I also just started season 2 of Daredevil, Born Again. And exciting. So, I think dito magsa-start na yung excitement towards Doomsday until December. So
It's connected somehow.
I think it's gonna be connected kasi Punisher is in Spider-Man and Spider-Man eventually. So dito magsa-start up yun. And aside from Harry Styles, I also listened to Bruno Mars' new album, The Romantic. I enjoyed it. Like nag-loop sa Bruno Mars songs ko is Cha 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 and God was showing off. And of course Risk It All. So silang dalawa pala yung new albums na pinakinggan ko, Harry and Bruno, my friends.
I think that's a wrap on What's Poppin'.
Yes.
And now, of course, wala akong maseg from Bruno Mars to Hannah Montana. I guess they have unique names.
Yung naisip ko lang yung Harry and Bruno, parang pwede rin sila maging mga barbershops.
Yes. Well, Bruno is one.
Already there. And then Harry can be like a nice place we can mount that.
Haberdash Harry.
Ano? Harry Styles. Parang, welcome to Harry Styles.
Correct.
Haberdash Harry nga do. Well, speaking of pop stars, to the pop star of the moment, the decade, the era, the generation, Hannah Montana. Happy 20th anniversary
20.
to all of us.
20 years.
20 years. It's crazy. I can't imagine being here right now without her. Honestly. No, like, not physically, but like where I am in my life. So let's talk about, I mean, we all know Hannah Montana. If you don't know Hannah Montana, I'd kind of be shocked.
Yeah.
Because like last time, one of our guests did not know Sex Bomb, and you were like, huh?
That's crazy.
Yeah. Anyway,
Damn.
so Hannah Montana, I mean, multiple seasons, 4 seasons, a movie, a concert tour, everything. She gave us our pop culture tween life
Yeah.
20 years ago. Let's start with the question, what does Hannah Montana mean to us? Or how did we like even get into Hannah Montana in the first place? I think magandang discussion dito is like, ngayon 2026, we were talking about 2016 last episode, but now it's like 2006. Wala na masyadong tween. We were talking about this before. There's no tween content. Whereas Hannah Montana, High School Musical, all of the Disney Channel stuff, Nickelodeon stuff,
Yeah.
was all targeted towards a certain demographic. Now that people are just the tweens are just listening to the same music as everyone else, the same content as everyone else. They don't really have much of like the childhood we once experienced, I would say. So that is Hannah Montana to us, right? Like, and I would say that's my introduction to like pop star culture, like fandom culture, fangirl culture, just pop music in general. Na parang wala tayong idea of that world until Hannah Montana graced our streams. I don't know about kayo ba?
Yeah, I think she was my introduction nga to the fandom culture. Kasi when I think back, what were my fandoms like as a kid and until now? Like si Hannah talaga yung one of the early ones talaga that I learned to be obsessed over. So yeah, tapos like what you said nga na parang she was just such an icon for like the tweens. I was like 10 years old when Hannah debuted. So yeah, sorry. That's
I'm so old, but that's okay.
You're not.
We do have a big gap. It's okay.
You're like Jackson in this.
yeah, you're the Jackson.
He's older than me by like a decade. Okay.
But yun.
Yeah, same. I think to me, the one that really stuck with me is the music. So I remember having the first album and having it on loop all the time. Meron pa kaming CD player nun. And I would play it at night before going to sleep. Yun yung lalabay ko. You get the best! Best of both worlds, ganon.
You only have access to certain CDs.
Yes. And we'd also play it in the car. So car and CD player. So every time in the car, we'd put it inside the...
Gift ko yan, I remember.
Wow.
Yun lang yung paulit-ulit mo lang. Kaya alam mo from front to back yung isang album.
Yes, that's so true.
You know the whole discography of one.
Exactly.
I think we learned that from Hannah Montana herself.
100%. And I think it's really interesting kasi they always try to do that na parang a show about na may songs.
Yeah.
And it's always very successful. But now they don't do it anymore.
Wala na, eh.
Like the bigger ones before.
Channel still even like
I don't think
big as
they're
it was.
I don't think they're trying to make any more content like that. I don't know. I don't know what
Parang
they're
wala na as
Because
far
it's
as I.
streaming na eh.
Yeah.
It kind of killed a lot of the waiting for shows to be released eh. Kasi if it's right there, we
lahat
can watch it
na
now.
ibinta agad.
We can watch it later. Yeah, I think that's what
And you have
happened eh.
access to all adult shows.
That's also true. That's what I was thinking.
Whereas Disney Channel would just be tuned in to one thing.
Yeah, like I think there's no tweet, and since Disney became with other stuff, like more adult stuff, they became more exposed to that,
Yeah.
and it's like
And
they go straight to that.
companies.
They go straight to that rather
Yeah.
than going to like I think because of the existence of may ganon and they can choose to go there, they see na parang medyo cringy yung ganito.
But I think
if they're doing it at
that's
their
the beauty
age
of
now.
our generation. Na cringe. Like people call it cringe, but like embrace the cringe.
Yeah, they want to be like us. They want what we experienced then.
Yeah, because we were talking about digital analog.
Yeah.
That's like the analog life.
That's true.
We're all tuned into the same TV show every week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And pagkapunta mo sa school, parang, wait, did you watch the last episode?
Theorizing.
That's true. No, we were saying also when we watched the concert the other day, like not a single hand in the concert movie, walang nagbe-video. Everyone was just hands up.
They had like Motorola razors.
Yeah, and then digicams, ganun sila. Oo, but everyone hands up, singing along. Wow.
And Hannah Montana said, stand up in a concert. This is our recurring thing in this show.
Yeah,
We like stand up in concerts. What can you say about standing up and sitting? Bumalik na naman tayo doon. Oo nga, because as musicians, because Hannah Montana said it so we have to follow her.
Concert, she was like, one rule, I don't want anyone sitting down. Well, she said something like that. So you gotta follow the queen.
We have to repeat that again and again to the audience who will fight us on comments about standing up in concerts.
Well, ako, I don't mind eh. Kasi, when people are sitting down, I'm gonna start, my approach will be, I'm a storyteller. So I'm gonna adjust.
Try sitting down next time people sit.
No, but yeah, sometimes I do that. Kasi para what I do is I'm not gonna force anyone to react a certain way. So if they sit down, I'm gonna attack them sitting down. And eventually, they're gonna stand up by song number 7. I create an entire narrative arc. So, I call it out na para, oh, it's like a recital. Okay, so I'll treat it like a recital. Then I start doing stand-up, and then it works for me. And then eventually, it's like they're sitting down, but everyone's like tuned in. And I make sure that everyone is, kasi I'm an extrovert. I can look at an audience of thousands and just single out people because I'm not shy at
Yeah.
all. So I can be like, you in the red shirt. I've been watching you since kanina pa. You keep like, parang your foot is hitting your friend right there. Parang every time you get excited, your foot. I see these things. Kasi extrovert ako so it's easy for me. So ako, okay lang, sit down, stand up, I'll adjust because it's a challenge Parang I enjoy that, tsaka I talk a lot So it's, how about you? You prefer?
Ako naman.
Bumalik tayo. We will always open the opportunity to talk about standing up in concerts
Okay.
when it comes out.
Kami kasi as performers, I mean, nakatayo kami, right? But like, if you're like an audience member, I think it also depends on the culture kasi kung saan ka.
Pero in
Yeah.
our generation,
In our
unfortunately
generation, say, let's say
our
Philippine context. Kasi sa ibang bansa, kapag nakaupo ka talaga. Dito, I think,
Dumadating na yung culture na yun.
I think it's
We need to fight against
I
it.
think it's all about mindfulness sa totoo lang.
Correct.
If na-foresee mo na at one point you would want to stand up, bumili ka na lang ng standing.
Okay.
If you can afford it.
Or chikahin mo yung nasa likod mo.
Yeah.
Or dun ka sa aisle.
Chummies na kasi kayo parang,
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry, that's what I would do.
Or dun ka sa aisle. Kasi gets ko naman yung mga tao na mas prefer nila na,
Correct.
like yung mga trentahin pataas na, okay, fine, gets. But if you wanna
But they
stand up,
also experience standing up, I think. We will not back down.
Pero
We will
baka
not
it's
sit
more
down.
of a memory at this point Than
Correct.
Than
No, but then
Pilates
a lot of
induced-
our people argue now na parang the same culture elsewhere na parang, yeah, you bought a seated ticket, just sit down. Which is kind of sad. Because Hannah Montana said so.
yeah, it's sad. Na-experience ko rin kasi yung like sa ibang countries manood ng concert tapos seated yung nakuha namin. And then at the end of it, I regretted
Not standing.
Not standing.
Yeah, diba?
Kasi
It's innate
feel ko na
in
eh.
us at least.
Kasi ang sad, para okay, intro ng favorite song ko, tatayo ako pero mahihiya ka sa nasa likod mo, so umupo ka din. So if you can, like, take the standing,
It's very-
or like find a way na makatayo ka. Kasi sayang
Correct.
yung, sayang yung moment. I mean, nagbayad ka ng sobrang mahal, tapos hindi mo i-enjoy to the fullest yung
Yes.
yung moment.
But yun na nga, it's very generational. Maybe it's a 20-year thing. And we have to keep educating. Educating talaga. Yeah, we're so passionate about this every single episode, almost. Anyway, back to Hannah Montana.
The impact of Miss
The impact of Miss Hannah said, if you're sitting down,
The music.
you shouldn't be sitting down.
Ah.
Yeah, Elle, I think that's...
As the
I was-
older guy.
No, not even. Just like, we were just casually having a conversation in your house.
In a kitchen.
in a kitchen.
And he
And
saw
I saw Hannah Montana on the fridge as magnets. I was like, why do you have Hannah Montana magnets?
official merch from Disney Store because I'm a huge fan. I was there sa premiere of the movie here, sponsored by RX in Glorieta. I was the only one there kasi hindi naman minsan may mga events na parang hindi naman na-promote masyado.
Correct.
And then I was just the only one there. May cake na Hannah Montana sa labas. May picture ako with the cake. I was wearing a Hannah Montana hoodie na XL kids for girls pa. So, pero ito yung catch XL for kids yun. So punit na punit yung likod. Hindi ko pa sasara yun. Parang ito na yung pinakamalaking meron eh. So, ganun
It's
ako
a zip-up hoodie.
Yeah, tapos kasi nung time na yan, kasabay rin naman kasi ng Hannah Montana ang Fall Out Boy eh. So we merch, medyo pareho, mga hoodie, ganyan.
Yeah,
kasi emo
yeah.
kids and twins,
And sparkly.
they live in the same house.
Yeah.
They're just not talking to each other kasi they got issues. Pero, di ba, si ano yun eh, si middle child or si bunso, tsaka si kuya.
Yeah.
Si kuya angsty eh. So, naka-eyeliner, naka-Fall Out Boy. Tapos, si twins, naka-colorful tops and best of both worlds. Eh ako naman, parang nasa gitna ako because I like listening to rock music, but I'm also a huge Disney fan. I have Disney tattoos all over my body. I'm a Disney guy. So, ako na-discover ko itong buong to because of my nieces and nephews. Lagi kasi ako nasa States, sasabi nila parang music din na ito yung music ni Hannah Montana, ito yung music ng Jonas Brothers. Tapos may Disney Channel, tapos I'd end up watching with all of them Disney Channel stuff. And they're all pretending to be cool because they were at that age na 12, 13, 14 na I don't like Hannah Montana, I don't like Jonas Brothers, pero pagka naman umpo kami, alam nyo lahat ng kanta. Tsaka favorite ko yung nakikita ko yung feet nila na kunyari, pretending to not like something, pero pag yung paa nasa beat, parang gusto mo naman yan eh.
You know the
Kitang-kita
beat.
ko yan. Oo eh. So,
Sila ang may
parang sila may
hawak
hawak ng
ng
beat,
beat.
eh. So, hawak niya yung beat, hawak pa niya yung gabi. So, ano ba, parang, so, come on,
Hawak
guys.
Montana.
Oh, I love it. Napa-double peds ako doon.
Si Hannah Montana pala yung beat eh.
But yeah, so ganun, from nephews
Oh my God,
and nieces.
si Hannah Montana may hawak ng beat. Dug, 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 dug.
Pareho na. Ang magaling yun.
I love it.
No to AI.
Wow. Pero also, you have a
Only
beat.
AI de las Armas. Kasi kumuha siya ng free fuel for the Philippines sa Ang Tanging Ina Part 2. Ang Tanging Ina ng yung lahat.
Right?
2. So, yeah. Anyway, hawak, Hannah mo ang beat. Hannah mo.
So yun, nieces and nephews, doon connect. Tapos I started, keep in mind din na Hannah Montana came out 2006. The iPhone came out mga 2007. Medyo kasabay niya. Tapos, context lang, kaya parang ang big deal kasi ng Hannah Montana kasi ito yung time na yung culture ng America yung paparazzi heavy with digicams.
Yeah.
Tapos, it was gonna usher in that generation of iPhone, of living in your phone.
Yeah.
So, nung time na lumabas yung Hannah Montana, I remember pa na I had to, hindi naman analog kasi digital pa rin. I had to go online.
Hannalog.
I had to,
Lahat na lang Hannah
analog pa
pants.
niyan eh. I had to, I would have to go to a paparazzi website sa States para checkin kung nasan siya banda. Para pwede ako pumunta doon to hang out para makita ko nandun siya. So, I was also part of the paparazzi culture. Like my cousins and I would drive all the way from, we would be in Cerritos. We would drive all the way to Toluca Lake.
That's how big of a fan you are.
And that's like an hour and 30 away, ah.
Oh my
Nandun siya sa may Toluca Lake, Burbank area kasi most of the artistas are there doing
Yeah,
yoga.
yeah.
So, ganyan. So,
And the Disney is around Burbank.
yeah. Yun, pupunta kami ng mga cousins ko, tapos isa-stalk namin, try namin sila hanapin, yan.
Hannah.
Yeah, actually, parang first choice lagi. Siyempre, si Miley Cyrus yung first choice. Tapos yung Jonas Brothers yung next. Tapos eventually, nakita ko saan sila nakatira, ganyan. Tapos, ayun. Hindi, kasi nasa mga
But
maps
there
sila
would be
naman eh.
websites and
Yeah,
flyers
yeah.
of where art, yeah.
It's very accessible.
Celebrity
They bring it out.
obsessed
They
culture.
they would leak it pa.
Yeah, pero before iPhones pa kasi to eh. So parang ano pa to, parang yung leak nasa desktop pa.
Yeah.
And I was just thinking, parang Sponge Cola at that time and Hannah Montana were kind of like up against each other.
Sa Mixed Daily Top 10, yeah. Yep.
You are like,
Yeah.
if there was a Filipino Hannah Montana, Kayo yung kind of Jonas Brothers. Like, you could collaborate.
Tsaka the time na yan, our drummer left, si Chris.
Oo.
So tatlo lang kami para kami Jonas Brothers. Wala kaming drummer nun. Di ba, Jonas Brothers, wala ring drummer.
We got the party featuring Sponge
So,
Cola.
ganyan.
Pwede ka sa song na yun.
We were all making those jokes back then din, na para tayong Jonas Brothers. Kasi yung album cover namin na third album,
Oo.
it was around that time. Wala, tatlo lang kami.
Tatlo lang kayo.
And yun yung time na lumabas yung Jonas Brothers. Kasabay yun. Tapos kasabay, ang kalaban namin sa Countdown, this parang new artist named Taylor Swift. Mas ako parang sobrang, ano siya, number 1 kami, tapos bigyan number 10 siya. The next day, number 2 na lang kami. Tapos number 1 na siya, tapos boom, yun nagsimula yun eh. So, tapos ako naman, parang, okay lang, ang galing niya eh. So, okay lang sa akin. Parang, pagka kasi gusto ko yung song, okay lang eh.
Yeah.
Hindi masakit. Pero yeah, it was around that time, yeah. Our song was Puso.
Crazy. Lore.
The
It's
concept
lore.
of mix being the bastion of like what we
The bastion of the chart.
Yeah,
Yeah.
charts, that's crazy. And now we don't even look at it. Sorry, mix.
Whoa. But yeah, kasabay na rin ng Puso yung The Climb, and if you think about lyrical content, kasi Puso it's a sports song, but end of the day naman, life is like, yung sports naman,
Life is what you make.
yeah, it's a simulation of sports naman, simulation of life. May goals, may obstacles, you need teamwork, or if it's a solo sport, you need to dig deep, work hard, fight back, whatever. So yeah, it's The Climb. So parang ever since nag-resonate sa akin yung The Climb, as in, it's such a beautiful song, such a well-played song. Tapos, ang mature kasi nung mga musicians playing it.
Yeah.
Like yung drummer, naalala ko pa discuss namin, seryoso kasi mga usapan drummer lately online eh.
Yeah.
So like si Wendell Garcia, legendary drummer, sinabi niya na parang yung pagda-drums dun sa song na yun, sa The Climb, parang that drummer played everything perfectly. Walang labis, walang kulang. Yung you're not there to showcase your drum skills. You're there to lift the song. So parang gina-guide mo lang siya like a pass first point guard, making sure the team wins. Ganyan. So
Yes.
basketball reference. Yes, go sports. So yeah, yun. So I'm such a fan. Sorry, I have the shirt.
Yeah, kasi parang it's something na, at least for Yael, parang we talk about Disney all the time. But
All the time.
It didn't click to me na Hannah Montana is one of those like major things na you...
Major things. Parang, parang I like kasi mga Disney princesses mostly.
Yeah.
Pero siguro my number 1 pa rin is really like the period of like Belle, Ariel, Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast,
The
Aladdin.
Renaissance era.
Yeah, that period. The classical yung music, tas ang ganda. Classical na catchy. Tapos parang meron din, I also like Star Wars. Again, purchased by Disney for like billions.
Yes,
billions.
yes.
So tapos Hannah Montana is like I still watch like episodes. I have the DVD box set. Na origa, so hindi yun pirated. Like mandun pa yung, so kasi ayoko kasi bumili ng pirated stuff kasi kung musician ka, parang ang hypocrite kasi na
Correct.
pag TV pwede mong kahit na daming pera ng Disney. Parang I just still wanna make sure na if I defend myself, kailangan hindi ko binibreak yung same rule. So anyway, yeah, so
The lore goes deep.
yeah, but because wala rin, tsaka ako kasi when I get into something, I really get into it. So like, ang galing. Tsaka, ang ganda ng comedic timing nung show, ng Hannah Montana, ang galing ni Jackson, nakakatawa
The cringe
siya.
talaga, I think it's the cringe that we adapted from that kind of humor, no?
Tsaka yung guy kasi na feel, nakakatawa in any culture yata yung guy na feel eh. Parang yung ang hilig niya, ang vain niya.
Yeah.
Hilig niya mag-ayos ng hair niya, tapos feeling niya lagi siya pinag-uusapan ng mga girls.
Yeah.
Pero parang kaya ka lang pinapag-usapan ng girls kasi ikaw yung nagbebenta ng stuff sa beach eh. Eh, di ba? Kasi ba naman, parang, di ba, kailangan natin ng goggles eh. San ba kayo, no? But shades, so may shades rack dun sa tabi sa set. So, ayun. So. But he was also in American Pie, in one of the straight-to-DVD American Pies. So, hindi yun at all Disney content.
And he was like 28 when they shot Hannah Montana.
Yes.
Apparently.
Kaya ang ganda na ng comedic timing niya. I'm guessing nga na baka on set as an actor, kaya niyang i-guide yung mga co-actors mo. Kasi may ganun may mga actors na galvanizing na parang kaya mong ilabas yung performance from your co-actors din.
And all his co-actors were children.
Yeah, we're young, yeah. I think pati si Lily was
Yeah.
like maybe just a year older than Hannah
Miley.
than Miley Hannah.
In the special, they say na all of them had acting experience except for Miley.
Miley.
So, all of them had, like, I guess, guided her na din sa experience na yan.
And I think that was the charm of Miley naman.
Yeah.
As they were saying nga na parang,
Natural.
it's her natural self. It's her like authentic self na she was a country girl.
Yeah.
Parang ang ganda ng story lang na it all came together. Na parang dad din niya si Billy Ray Cyrus/Stewart. Robbie Ray pala yun.
Tapos nag-plane siya to LAX.
Yeah.
With a dream and a
Yeah. Correct.
She was just welcome to a land.
Yes.
Famous.
Is she gonna fit in?
Is she?
But anyway, Pat,
So much fun. Kasi hindi ka naman wala akong kausap pa. Pero yun, unlike Kuya Yael, lahat kasi ng discography, dinownload ko sa LimeWire.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, yung meron pang virus na kasama. May random na
May watermark. May watermark.
Yum Tunes Daily.
Pero yun, ano ba? I don't really remember kung paano ako naging fan. But I remember the merch that I had. So, meron ako nung piano book. Binili ng dad ko para sa akin nung nag-state siya. That was my Hana era. So, binila niya ako ng piano book. Hindi ako masipag mag-practice or magbasa ng notes. Hindi talaga. Pero kasi nung binigay niya sa akin yung piano book, inaral ko talaga yun. Inaral ko talaga yun. Tapos, I also used to have this strap na guitar, na bag. So, okay, so it's not a real guitar, it's a bag.
Okay.
Bag na, ito yung fretboard.
Okay.
Tapos, naka-shape na gitara to.
Okay.
Tapos, may Hannah Montana. I forgot na what it looks like. But I remember na parang, when I had it, nagpe-pretend ako na, okay, ito yung G chord.
Oh.
And that was the reason kung bakit ako natutong mag-gitara.
Hey!
Thank you.
Thank you, Hannah.
Thank you, Hannah.
That Hannah would have been. Oh.
Ay, hindi naman.
Kailangan.
Part of Ben and Ben. Walang keyboard. This is Ben and Ben.
Pero,
Without Hannah Montana.
Hannah Montana influenced me so much na yung email address ko, pop_rockprincess32.
Wow!
Hey. Tapos ano pa ba? Wala. Yun. Ano pa ba?
But what made her like stick to
Hindi ko
you?
rin alam eh. ADHD? I don't know. Hyperfixation? I don't know. But I remember that there was this one time na I got really sick. Tapos parang 2 weeks ako nasa bahay. Tapos yun lang yung pinapanood ko. Tapos that was around the time na giniftan ako nung guitar bag. Guitar na bag. And then, I guess that's what stuck din sa akin. I don't have it anymore. It's fake leather eh. So malamang natanggal-tanggal na rin yung balat na rin.
Kakalat ka sa mall.
Pero yung nakakatuwa talaga dun sa series, it's like, masaya lang sila. Alam mo yun, like, they go through like real struggles, like in the series, ganun. Pero at the same time, it's not so heavy. It's age appropriate, ganun. Tapos, right after the anniversary, pinanood namin ni wife ko yung tawag dito. Yung movie, the one with Lucas Till, ganyan. Tapos parang, oh my gosh, sobrang cute pala talaga nito. Or baka kasi biased. Pero, ang dami kong mga insights dun sa movie na yun na, I mean, I watched this nung bata ako, but it means so much more now that I'm older and experiencing different things na.
You've experienced the Hannah Montana life somehow.
Yes, I'm experiencing the climb and all of that, ganyan.
Yeah.
I don't know, she's just so relatable sa akin. I mean, like, hindi ako double life or whatever, pero the things that she goes through in the show, I think everybody goes through also. Like, you know,
In one
everybody
way or
makes
another.
mistakes. Everybody has those things. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody has that moment.
And first, finally,
Yeah, I remember back how I got into Hannah Montana. It's because my youngest sister, siya yung talagang fan. She had all the memorabilia, had all the albums. So, in a way, naging second, like, naging ako, by association, naging fan din ako.
it's like secondhand smoking, but it's
Exactly.
Hannah Montana.
Nice.
like,
Well played.
like the best way, kaya na-appreciate ko talaga yung music ni Hannah. The same way, the best way I can compare it is now, na-appreciate ko yung music ng BTS because my other sister naman always listens to BTS.
Yes.
So that's the way I see it. And talagang, yun nga, tama nga, sobrang, it's so nice to watch the show kasi it's so light, so relatable. And yun nga, so kahit ako na-memories ko din yung tracklist ng na whenever we go in the car, kasi my sister will always bring the CD, so whenever we go to the province and stuff. And I think also, ang na-realize ko lately, this is the time na Disney had a chokehold on all of us. Kasi first it was High School Musical, tapos sunod yung Hannah Montana, sunod yung Wizards of Waverly Place, and then naging Camp Rock. As in, banger by banger, back to back, chokehold lang ang hawak ng Disney. And then they just made it, yun nga, and then they realized, oh, let's go bigger. That's why they made movies. They made a movie for High School Musical. They took Hannah to the cinema. So yun, as in, na-realize talaga, this is what the kids like, this is what their brothers like.
This is the
what
life.
this is the
Yes.
Everyone.
And this is the dream.
everyone enjoyed Hannah Montana. Kaya watching the series, as in ako, when she started singing Best of Both Worlds, nagka-goosebumps ako. Like oh
When
my
she was
God.
on that, like, what they call it? Like,
Yung parang rider. Oh, like, oh my God, nagka-flashbacks
because
ako.
it's the same as the
Like,
movie
yeah.
at the concert.
Nagka-flashbacks ako, oh my God, I remember this. I remember so much. And then when she entered the set, it's not the same set, diba? It's a recreation. Kasi it's a bit bigger. It looks,
It kind of looks like the ones in the concerts on the show.
oo. Pero grabe, like, ang dami nag-flashback talaga ng memories na it feels so heartwarming seeing all this again and how much it meant to her.
And how much it means to all of us
Yeah, and
somehow.
she acknowledges it eh. Like, toward the end, she acknowledges the importance of the fans.
Yeah.
Na, and I like what she said sa Younger
Younger
You song,
You.
na Hannah gave her start, but fans, gave her her life.
Her life.
Ang ganda nun. So, I can't believe na 1 hour lang yung anniversary,
It was
diba?
pretty bitten. It was
Super
pretty
bitten. Pero I really appreciate na she knows how important the fans were in making this stuff the phenomena that it was until now.
And I think it just transcended throughout just from one TV show. I think the beauty of it na naging cultural phenomenon, global phenomenon siya. Music, movies, everything that just like affected us and kind of unlocked a bit now that Miley's reclaiming Hannah Montana, because for a few years after Hannah Montana era, she was like, may story ka kanina, di ba? Na parang,
Yeah, parang no mention yata
No mention of
from
Hannah
interviewers. Like, may memo. Mga ganyan. Usually naman may ganyan. For artists.
for the rider, ganyan, na parang no mention. But now that she's like, it wasn't even a wig. It was revealed to not have been a wig. It was like, she really dyed her hair Hannah Montana colors for this anniversary special. So, it's just so special na, wow, Miley, icon. Like, I wanna take this time to just really like, Miley Cyrus, underrated pop star of this generation. Like, people don't put her up in the ranks, but like, imagine now everyone's just like, Hannah Montana, that's Miley. And
So you could give her her flowers.
yes, she could buy herself flowers, but she deserves more than the flowers she buys herself, because she deserves all the flowers from
Period.
everyone
You
else.
buy her own flowers naman first.
Yeah.
Yes,
Flowers. Write her name in the sand.
but you know, she has us.
She has us, the
And
fans.
that's, I think, what people have to appreciate more about Miley Cyrus, like throughout the years. Like, as a Miley stan, like even before my Taylor Swift crazy era, I think Hannah Montana talaga yung my number one
Songwriter. You mind blown from your information na Taylor Swift pala wrote some songs for Hannah.
Yeah. So famously, you'll always find your way back home. It's co-written
Yeah,
by
yeah.
Taylor Swift. Like, I don't think a lot of people know that, especially now na people are like, "Boo Taylor," or whatever. Like,
What? People are like that now?
yes.
What's wrong with you people? Guys, hindi naman pwedeng lagi na lang kayo up and down. You can change your hair, you can change your clothes.
Your style. Something. You can say goodbye.
You can say hello.
We're all just quoting Hannah Montana in this episode. Pero yun talaga, like Taylor Swift, I would say in the ranks of like the generation of pop stars. They don't make pop stars like this anymore, or stars in general, because now everyone's a 15 seconds of fame lang until the next trend, the next fad. But like the longevity of Miley Cyrus and Hannah Montana, I think after Taylor Swift, I would arguably say Miley Cyrus is like next.
Hindi kaya it's the country background that's kind of like, yun yung parang, I mean, kasi hindi siya parang let's play some beats, let's sing over it, and then let's call that a song. Okay lang naman din yung approach na yun eh. Pero dahil meron siyang foundation of country. Kasi like, she grew up in Memphis, diba? In Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Yeah, not Memphis, but like maybe 2 hours away. Yeah. So, yung idea lang na may country background talaga siya. Tapos, grew up with musicians, of course, and dad niya is a musician. So, baka parang ang laking foundation nun kaya kami staying powers, because first of all, you know how to live life na wag masyadong tumodo, siguro. I mean, you know, Hollywood star, all that. Pero kasama rin yung idea na if you have a foundation in songwriting, pwede ka bumalik sa country all the time eh. It's parang ano yun, I guess that's like our folk OPM eh, na pwede ka laging bumalik sa acoustic guitar and vocals.
Feeling ko that's part of it, but also like in this generation of stars, parang she was kind of the experiment in a way na nobody supersede. I mean, Britney was there, but Britney was a different
Yeah.
thing eh. Miley's the first like all-arounder na ganyang level na nakaabot everywhere, di ba?
Sabay yung show tsaka yung songs, no?
Yes.
The whole thing
She's a-
about her is like the character is also a real singer.
Yeah.
It's also interesting.
It's so meta in a way
Yeah,
na
yeah.
she's a pop star in the show, but then the pop star in the show became a pop star in real life.
Yes.
But also that pop star had two identities.
Yeah.
Like, then there was Miley also releasing her own song.
Yeah.
So I think parang ang ganda lang nung story na yun.
Dalawa siya. Kaya parang, parang pwede ka
The duality.
pwede siya manominate na parang favorite group, Miley Cyrus. Why? Because she was also Hannah Montana.
I mean,
Diba, parang-
probably, di ba?
Because she's Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus.
I think if you search kasi sa Spotify nga sa artists, magkahiwalay si Hannah Montana.
Oo, magkahiwalay siya.
Diba? Parang Gem and the Holograms din yun eh. So magkahiwalay yung dalawa. So. Pero meron silang synergy. Sorry.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But yeah, I mean, yun, I just want to argue and say Miley Cyrus, period. Like, she is, like, underrated pa rin. Like, she already won Grammys. She's like, her discography is just crazy. Shout out to Bangers, the best Miley Cyrus album.
I want to acknowledge si Cholo. Like, kasi diba there was an era, like Bangers era, where people kind of turned on Miley. Pero Cholo has always been there. I remember, ikaw yung sobrang apologist ng mga Wrecking
Miley
Ball
Cyrus.
era.
Kita rin yung album na yun, yung Bangers
It's
with
the
the
best.
C.
It's the best Miley Cyrus album.
Tsaka yung chords kasi ng We Can't Stop, parehong chords yun ng magazine ng Eraserheads.
Wow.
Diba?
Flash up mo na yun.
Parang C, E minor,
Which
A
song?
minor,
Which
F.
song?
We can't stop, we won't stop.
Nakita.
Oh. May isa pa tayong mashup kanina.
Ano yung mashup kanina?
Ano kanina?
Anyway. Na ADHD na tayo lahat. But thank you for validating my Miley Cyrus.
I will acknowledge.
It's giving the vibe na. Remember how people didn't like Reputation with
Yes, that was her Reputation era.
Now that this Renaissance might come over, they might look at Bangers and be like, you guys, I was there ng Bangers. No, you weren't. Gaganon talaga.
Yes, like everyone's like Hannah Montana now. Like you weren't in a Bangers era.
You have the right.
I was defending her to people who were like, what the heck is she doing?
Wrecking Ball, ah.
Yeah.
And Adore You, like the whole album.
Yeah.
Di ba?
We will review
Like, and
that.
she has, I think, ang maganda rin sa era ng pop stars na yon, Disney Channel pop stars. I was listening to a lot. Budi and I were in the car, like, listening to Demi Lovato, like Selena Gomez. Those were all like soft rock, kind of like, they had a lot of rock sensibility. Is there something like in that na you kind of connected with? Because like,
Hindi yung necessarily yung rock song, yung Can't Keep My Hands to Myself.
yeah.
That song, I mean, I love how sparse the recording sounds.
Yeah.
It's mostly like beat, vocals, slight synth, guitar na parang nakarekta pa yung recording. Tapos, that's all it took for people to like really, oh nga no, I can't keep my hands. I mean, I could, but why would I want to? Parang, it's such a, ang ganda nung line na yun. I mean, I could, but why would I want to? Tapos parang
And
it's
then
gonna,
drop.
Oh, tapos it's gonna make you go, oh nga no, why would I want to? Tapos, diba? It's such a good song. Kasi it's also well, I like her vocal quality. Pero I think,
And they acknowledged each other in the anniversary special. Like Selena Gomez was like, "You created culture, babe."
I don't know. I didn't know she was in the. She didn't watch. Sorry.
Spoiler.
I didn't watch that.
Spoiler.
I'm so sorry.
But anyway, my question is also for everyone. Would Hannah Montana, kunwari, nasa Pilipinas si Hannah Montana, magsa-survive ba yung secret ni Hannah Montana sa Pilipinas?
No.
Obviously, 2026, parang
Oh, ganun
hindi
pa,
na eh, di ba?
But
TikTok,
2006,
everyone's
Philippines.
obsessed now na parang yung wall sa likod mo, makakonect na ng wall ni Miley sa wall ni Hannah, di ba?
Unang-una, Tepo baby agad siya, so titirahin
Correct.
sa online mga tao. Parang, ang galing-galing mo, yung tatay mo kasi mayaman.
Number 2, no secret is safe.
From us, no.
Too many
Sabi nga nila diba, kaya walang serial killer sa Pilipinas kasi puro chismosa. So feel ko it applies to Hannah Montana na
Yeah.
kung may Ana Marie Batumbakal or something like that.
Tsaka yung-
Ana
Barangay Tonto.
Ana Marikina. Ana Marie Kina.
Feeling ko, yung culture din nung set natin, pag nagtitaping siya, tapos pag nagtanggal na siya ng wig, may magbubulong dun eh.
Oo nga.
Parang, alam mo, nagtatanggal ng wig yan eh. Alam mo, yung itsura niya. Alam mo, Brun eh. Nag-aaral nga siya sa school eh. Ay, parang, ano pangalan niya? Miley. Ayan, ganyan. Ba? Yung magtitimpla ng kape mo, ikikwento na.
That's true.
So, I think, hindi talaga. I mean, mas lalo na ngayon.
No, but even sa States naman, medyo questionable talaga yan. You really had to have like a suspension of disbelief sa
And-
buong plot na to. So,
And I feel like,
Superman lang yun, nag-glasses na hindi mo nakilala.
it's like Clark Kent. It's the modern day Superman Clark Kent.
Yeah, yeah.
Hannah Montana.
Parang alam namin ikaw yan, alam namin yung boses mo. Parang
Yeah.
yung speaking voice nila pareho-pareho eh.
Same na.
Hindi naman yung iba eh. Di ba siya parang Batman eh. I talk like this so no one knows. Parang gano'n. So, yeah.
But, I mean, yun din eh. Parang, it's just like, you really have to keep somewhat of your private life. And that's really hard in this generation, I think.
Super.
But even in 2006, feeling ko, dadabuzz na siya agad.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pupunta sa The Buzz si Miley, tapos sabi niya, I'm Hannah Montana. Tito Boy. Tito Boy. Tapos sabihin ni Chris Aquino, because Hannah. Yun na yung The Buzz na, alam mo yung may black and white na boob. Hannah Montana, nagsalita na. Ganon.
That'd be crazy.
Madadabas nga siya.
That would be one of the plot
Doon
points
yung
of the
first
show.
launch.
Yeah.
Sa The Buzz, because wala naman tayong Jay Leno Tonight Show.
gotta be the one.
That'd
Like,
be the-
everyone will be tuned in on a Sunday to see Hannah Montana's big reveal. Sa ASAP niya, sa ASAP nagpo-perform si Hannah Montana.
Maganda climb na debut.
Fashionistas.
Si Anna Marie Kina.
Kapag may ipopromote siya na concert, mag-guest siya sa Banana Split.
Comedy si Anna.
Pero like, as musicians, syempre, would you say, paano nyo nababalance yung ganong like,
Oh, yeah.
Life.
somehow private, public life? Because like, I mean, syempre, you're Yael as Yael,
I think I'm
right?
the perfect person to ask for this. Just about this. Kasi it's more because of my wife.
Uh-huh.
Kasi ang mga musicians naman, hindi ka naman ginugulo ng mga tao eh. I mean, yung gulo na pwede mong makuha, hindi siya yung gulo na makukuha ng matinee idol, superstar.
Yeah, yeah.
So parang, end of the day, we have great music and we have really great fans. Pero parang it's still a very like
There's still a,
there's a line eh, na parang music lovers are here. They appreciate you. Ito yung chunk na yan.
But in some sense, you're still a celebrity.
Yeah, but parang-
even without,
Pero I wanna say minor.
yeah.
Kasi parang iba pa rin yung, you're a host on a noontime show and everyone will know you.
Correct.
And everyone's got an opinion. And a lot of people know you and don't care about your actual achievements. Kasi pag musician ka, usually alam nila yung song mo, kaya ka na
Correct.
alam na musician eh. So, alam na nila na, ay, okay, ito siya yung gumawa ng song na yan. Pero may mga iba na, kilala ko yan. Sikat ba yan? Sino ba? Tapos sinasabi nila to out loud, ha? Parang
In front of you.
Oo, tapos parang, sikat ka ba? Tatanungin nila yun sa artista eh. Tapos parang, if you're an artista, you're just at the mercy of like that line of questioning. Tapos parang, wala, di ka sagot. Ano ba sagot mo doon, di ba? So, it's more an artista situation sa Philippines.
Yeah,
Ang
yeah.
mga musicians dito, parang titingnan ka lang, tapos, yeah, we know, good job with the songs, pero hindi ka guguluhin unless nasa mall show ka na tapos excited silang makita ka. Pero pagka if you're walking in the mall, nagkikita kami lagi sa mall eh.
Meron
Lagi.
one time nagkasalubong kami sa one of the, yung mall na nakaganon. Yung mall na,
Aura.
yung mall na nakaganon.
Oh my God, si Karut.
Nagkita kami sa mall na nakaganon.
SM Aura.
Ano yun?
SM Aura.
Tapos pag ganun pa lang kami, nagsastart na siyang magsalita. Sobrang I mean like you know naman, right?
Yeah.
Tapos parang wala. Normal lang. Like when we see each other in the mall, okay lang. Tapos kapag kunwari may fan na lumalapit, okay lang. You know,
Yeah,
it's not crazy.
Yeah.
It's not crazy unless
It's
you're
not
like
pop star,
oh.
like pop star, P-pop. I would say, kung P-pop yan.
Oh, kung musician kasi parang, hindi, cool din ako eh.
Oo, kasi yung music fans parang may ganun din sila eh. Parang mas,
May level of ano sila.
Respect rin sa...
Yeah.
oo eh.
Either respect or yabang. Hindi,
Yabang.
magaling din ako eh. Ganun. So, hindi kita papansinin. May ganun din eh.
O kaya alam ko na parang kaming mga mahilig sa mga maangas na things, hindi kami necessarily like naggaganyan over you eh. Parang ganun lang. So, parang appreciation ko bro, ganito lang ah. Okay lang. Kasi okay rin naman yun. Tapos minsan makita mo lang parang biglang, oy, may discount ka bigla. Alam mo yun? Kasi the salesman just gave you a discount.
Yeah,
Happens. So you get the perks pero you don't get the hassle. So it's actually a pretty cool life.
You get the best.
Best of both worlds. may discount ka na. Yan. Tama, no?
Galing.
Yeah, best of both worlds.
But I mean, speaking about the music again, like I was listening to all of the soundtracks from season 1 to 4 and movie. Like the A&Rs were like killing it. Like to create that soundtrack from parang walang tapon soundtracks from season 1 to 4. Even the movie, I would say especially.
Tsaka nag-format sila na pop-punk dun sa sounds, tsaka country.
Ang galing
para,
no?
para kunyari, the cooler kuya and ate will still be able to, the Fallout Boy crowd will still be like, uy, pop-punk may distortion eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
So yung production, tapos pag yung country naman, kung yung parents na yung nanonood, parang, uy, si Billy rito eh. Kilala ko to, si Achy Breaky Heart.
It's like generational and like,
Yeah.
ang galing lang na parang, stacked lang lahat talaga. And I think, ang maganda rin doon, nag-stand out to me is like, it's just the messaging na parang nobody's perfect.
Yeah.
Like,
Tsaka great dads are
a
great.
true friend.
Yes.
What else? Like,
Yeah.
Nobody's perfect.
Yeah,
if we were a movie for the
Yeah,
lovey part,
cute.
Love your brother
He could
even
be
if
the-
they don't shower so
All the
much.
bases talaga.
the femur, ano yun?
The bone
The bone dance. The bone
Everybody
dance.
knows the bones yun.
Or yung ayun.
Akala ko yung boom, the clap,
Forgot the rap.
the clap.
Hold down,
Hold down, throw down.
Inaral ko pa yun.
Oh, yeah.
Pero nakalimutan ko na eh, hindi ko na kaya.
I think that's what we should do as
Kaya pa?
All of you.
Puppet, locket, polka dotted, quantified, and yung pocket.
Pinapanood namin.
You can still do it now?
No, I can't. Pero yung thought ko when I was watching the movie the other day, I was like, ito yung sino unang TikTok dance.
Exactly.
down, throw down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung video pa ni Miley and Mandy na tinuturuan tayo para magsayaw.
That's true.
Oh my God, ginawa ko siya sa asap pala.
Ooh.
Hindi, kasi nangyari, I learned it nung time na yun, di ba? Tapos we had a song with Gary Vee na may dance involved. So nung pina-freestyle kami, ang ginawa ko, hold down, throw down.
We have to find that
And
video.
it's gonna be hard to find kasi ang nangyari rin,
What's
parang
the
nung nagsimula ako, dahil kasama horrible dancer, yung camera gumanon eh. So parang, okay, so I guess it's not on me, but I'll still do my dance. Pero yun, I did dance the hold down, throw down on ASAP.
That's so
Wow.
Iconic.
Yeah, I remember doing like field demos and yung dance namin was hold down, throw down.
That's complicated eh, I'm bad.
It's like so many dance styles in one song.
Oo eh, ang dami
Yeah,
nangyayari.
yung helpful is the lyrics are the steps.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Diba? So helpful din yun.
Your hawk to the sky, maybe sa...
But I think it inspired like so many performers in some way out of all of us. Like Budi was telling me like
Oo, kasi
yeah.
grabe talaga. When I was looking back, after the special, I went to my old hard drive. Hinanap ko talaga lahat ng pictures and videos ko from that era of my life. Number one,
this diva.
number one, my fashion sense. Kitang-kita mo talaga na si Miley and si Hannah yung peg ko. Like, grabe
And ang peg niya
talaga.
ngayon ay Best
Ay,
of
ang
Both
Best of
Worlds
Both
Season
song.
1.
Oo.
Ako nobody's perfect.
And
The
then-
Gene.
Grabe talaga, the impact kasi na parang I found so many videos and of me and my friends. Like every summer kasi mag-shoot kami ng Hannah Montana music video. Like, I'm sad na nahanap ko yung raw files pero hindi ko nahanap yung like edited output ng ate ko. But like, as incomplete, yung who said, who said si Selena. Who said, may music video kami noon. May dance number kami to Life's What You Make It.
In front of PBA players.
We made it everyone's business. Lahat ng mga Tino.
players.
Ito yung Alaska era namin to. So like, nobody, no. Alaska, the best of both worlds. So yun, we made it everyone's problem na parang me and the other kids na parang, none of you care, none of these players care, but here's Life's What You Make It, na dance number, na choreograph namin. And
In front of the wags.
In front of the wags.
And the players.
Andun pa si Bob Hawkins watching.
Most likely. So ayun, that's just, as in, doon ko talaga na-confirm na parang, wow, Hannah was really my life. And her music.
And like that just
And
inspires you to like dance, sing. Me as an aspiring pop star. Wow. I was like, wow.
You are a pop star.
Parang that's like she inspired me to be a pop star.
Exactly.
Like I'm here because of Hannah Montana
Period.
and that life. Na parang parang that kind of clicked lang na parang siya pala. I mean more than High School Musical is like more theater, but this is like pop life and like it's crazy. What's any favorite songs?
You always find your way back.
Yeah.
Always find your way back home, man.
1 in a million.
Yes. Yes.
That's so true.
Sobrang romantic niya for like a 14-year-old to be singing. Pero ang ganda niya pa rin.
Ganda.
Ako na-rediscover ko, It's All Right Here. Like, I love that
that's a deep
song.
cut.
That's a
Like, their
deep
songs
cut.
na yun, no?
Hannah Montana Season 3. It's just like a fun song. And meron pang, isa pa. from season 2. If we were a movie, so good.
I remember being obsessed then with the duet she had with Billy Ray though. Yung,
Butterfly Fly.
Don't agree on what is the best thing. That was really nice. Like I had a significant memory where one time, me and my sister, we were just sitting down. Then we said the same line at the same second, and we were like, mind meld. Grabe. So because of that, it really stuck with me, that song. It's a nice song then of them singing to each other.
Aww.
Bati naman.
Pati naman.
Bati naman. Yay!
Ang galing lang na parang a lot of that sentimentality and like just values.
Yes.
The Disney values of 2000, the early
The
2000s.
Disney and country in one.
Yeah. Gusto ko rin yung Make Some Noise. Like, underrated. I feel like it's a deep cut at this point. But same then with Anin, like, me and my sister, we go to work together. Shout out to Lian, she owns the shirt. Actually. Siya talaga yung, I think, syempre as a grade school, high school boy, like, you wouldn't be saying Hannah Montana out loud, right? But in our house, it's my 3 sisters and I, and like, that's kind of our shared, ano din, aside from High School Musical, is Hannah Montana. Like, she owns the shirt. I just got it from her. But yeah, I mean, crazy Hannah Montana life. Any other stuff? I want to ask, who is our Disney Mount Rushmore? Yun yung sikat na tanong ngayon. Let's build one Disney Mount
Si
Rushmore.
Ariel kasama dyan, tsaka si Belle.
I think in the Disney channel,
They have to be people.
real people, Disney Mount Rushmore.
Joint effort to.
Di ba may Mount Rushmore? Yung trend ngayon, like, who is your Disney Mount Rushmore? You put top 4 Disney. Obviously, Miley.
Miley, proper.
In a Hannah wig, maybe.
Yeah.
Raven.
Raven. Yes. Raven.
But she spoke against Miley, so
Oh my God.
Sad.
So yeah, Raven talaga, yeah.
I would
So
put
lang.
Hilary Duff, maybe.
Right there, yeah.
Yeah,
Also put Ashley Tisdale.
Ashley, that's
Ang dami na
Ashley did a lot.
We can only pick 4.
And then that's all girls.
Ay.
Which guy would you put?
Yung pwedeng, dalawa naman sila yung si Zach tsaka si Cody.
But that will already mean like
If you put one, it's the same face.
The same face naman. It's a product. Oh.
Hindi ko kaya.
ako parang
Kaya alam mo,
Si Mr. Mosby na lang.
kasi hirap tumapat kay
Pringles.
Miley eh. Like
Yeah.
the impact Miley has, she should just have her own monument.
di ba pwede ilagay mo na si Zac Efron doon? Kasi hanggang ngayon naman he's still around doing frat boy things. And
But as
environmental things.
Disney,
Short-lived.
you only have High School
Yung
Musical.
tenure makes it.
Yeah, Miley can be the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
Gawa lang tayo ng
Si Hannah Montana na lang. Si Hannah Montana na lang.
Hannah Montana has her own.
Ang hirap tapatan eh. Like
Yeah.
cultural impact in the whole. Raven kasi I would only say that's so Raven.
That's so Raven.
Yeah, like her songs did get big.
And Cheetah Girls.
Yeah.
But again, even outside of that,
Wala ba si Mickey Mouse dyan? I mean, that's how. Oh, okay.
Louie, gano'n.
Louis,
Oh,
the collabs, we never
Hindi nagpagawa. Okay, sige. okay.
For my nieces and nephews.
Tapos sa blessing, si Tinkerbell yung gaganon.
Yes, I'd say Miley has her own statue na lang.
that's true.
That might
I
be
would
better.
agree.
And deserve.
Nobody compares to her.
Correct.
I would say even Hilary Duff, like, we all adore her, admire her.
Yeah.
She's not the level of superstar as Miley Cyrus.
Yeah.
So she gets her own statue.
And
Sino-
sorry, Raven, but you spoke out against Hannah Montana being
Yung Hilary Duff tsaka Hannah Montana.
For you.
Yeah.
That's valid.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Pwede.
Soccer.
Correct.
No, I kind of get kasi Hannah has, I can't explain, like she did a lot and it was all successful.
And
like,
outside of
and outside
Disney.
of Disney.
Although
But I mean,
Hillary did do that din naman.
Hillary walked so Miley could
Correct.
Let's do that. Yes.
I honestly
Give them all their
Zendaya
flowers.
there also.
For Shake It Up and like all that.
I mean, she
Pero
started
later
from
siya eh.
Disney, pero now her cultural
much
impact.
Of her success kasi is outside.
Correct. So medyo
Agree.
mahirap. So let's just keep
Just Miley,
a Miley
Statue of Liberty.
Hannah Montana statue.
Yeah.
Statue of Liberty. Pagpasok nila ng New York,
Oo.
makita mo si Hannah
Yeah.
Montana.
Hopped in the plane.
Sa LAX na lang.
JFK.
Pag kasama mo siya, tapos makita niyo yung statue.
Wow.
No, it's Hannah Montana. May wig na lang. Lalagyan na lang ng malaking wig yung Statue of Liberty.
Iba from, parang pag January to June. Black.
Or, minsan ano siya,
Minsan blonde.
brunette.
That's really funny.
But yeah, I mean, anything else about Hannah Montana that we wanna talk about? Especially the special.
Sino yung celebrity na dinate niya, na guy, sa show? Tapos parang, hindi siya sanay.
Are we team
Jake ba? Jake
or
ba?
Jessie?
I'm Jake.
Yung parang hindi niya alam how to be a normal person. Yung hindi niya alam paano pumila for food.
Jake.
Yeah,
Jake.
Team Jessie dito?
I was
I was
Jake.
team-
I Jake din ako.
I like Jake nung wala pa si Jessie.
But when Jessie came,
When Jessie came into the picture, I was like, oh no, I like
I
him
didn't
more.
like how they ended the Jake thing.
Oh.
Like, I felt like it was forced. Like,
Yeah,
but then, parang it was because kailangan niyang umalis. That's why they
Yeah.
rushed the thing.
Yeah.
pero ang ganda ng storyline na
But I
yun.
love the enemies to lovers ni Miley and Jake. I was eating
that
My
up
gosh.
too.
That is that generation's Wilka and Dusby.
Yeah.
May love triangle
That
siya.
checks out.
But sabi ni Miley in her interview about the special,
Yeah.
Miley daw is Jessie and Jake is like Hannah's. Parang ganon.
I get that.
Because she is two people, I guess. Kind of makes sense. It's a good answer, actually.
Good job.
Yeah, both, best of both worlds. Best of both boys.
Why not both?
Katawa.
So, Team Jake plus Team
Plus
Jessie.
Jessie at the end.
Yeah.
I wasn't mad na si Jessie yung naging endgame niya.
And, I mean, I forgot to mention na parang they say that Chapel Roan is your favorite artist's favorite artist. But your favorite artist's favorite artist is Hannah Montana. I think that's why they put her in the special also. Like, yeah. Thank you, Hannah Montana, for this whole episode, I guess, of just like fun memories, bringing us together and reawakening this millennial culture of like cringe and just like appreciating the life that we had and the life that we have.
Yeah.
Wow. Hindi, kasi ang ganda lang talaga. I mean, just Miley, this whole, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ni Miley for me, parang wow. Her finally reclaiming the throne and like putting the wig back on, or in this case, dyeing her hair. And just like claiming and even speaking it into existence, the Hanniversary, after years of like everything happening to Miley. That's why she deserves flowers. Yun, it's just like,
Miley.
we love you, Miley. We love you, Hannah. Thank you, Disney.
Kung nanonood ka man.
Wherever
Love
you
you.
are.
Wherever you go,
Always remember you.
we'll always remember you. And for our final question, just to wrap everything up. So, in the Hannah-versary special, there's a new Hannah Montana / Miley song called Younger You. And it's just like telling that whole story of the journey from the climb, I guess, to now. Her 2026, the climb, is Younger You. And just talking about, it's the younger you talking to the you now. So, gusto ko yun yung final question natin for this episode is, what's your message to your younger you? Wow, ang deep.
Ikaw muna.
Ako muna. O sige. Well, I'm proud of you. Wow! You made it this far. Yes, no, but yun, parang just keep sige lang ng sige. That is my pop star life. Wag kang papapigil. Just go crazy. Get up and dance. But yeah, I mean, yun, naka-proud lang. I'm proud of you. Sige lang ng sige. I think that's really my message because you wouldn't be making it where you are now, seated with all of these people. Wow. From my idols in music and my besties without, just embracing the cringe and embracing the Hannah and the High School Musical and just keep going. Sige lang ng sige. Yun lang talaga. I think that really was my message to my younger self when I was writing my 30th birthday novella. Na parang, oh, yeah, my younger self would be so proud that you've reached this point of being a pop star somehow. So, yeah, that's my message to my younger me. It's so dramatic.
Actually, hindi. Mine isn't that dramatic, so it's okay. I'm gonna lighten the mood. Ako, my message to my younger self is just allow yourself to be the fangirl that you are. Kasi nga, like what I said earlier, si Hannah is the origins talaga of my, like, fangirl self. So, until now, I'm still a fangirl. Yung sasabihin ko sa younger self ko, wala pang umiiba.
There's nothing
Like,
wrong with
I'm
it. There's
still-
nothing wrong with it.
Like, I still hyperfixate over all the singers, all the actors, ganyan, na, and it's okay. Like, have fun with, like, be enthusiastic about what you love.
Yes.
Like, that's just my message.
While
to my
we're
younger
listening to Hannah Montana, other people our age are having babies.
Crazy thought.
But it's okay to
It's okay
keep.
because that's life's what you make it.
Yes. So let's make it.
Just make it rock.
And I don't think we would have been friends without fanboy, fangirl
Yeah.
culture. So thank you again, Hannah Montana, and to our younger selves. Anine.
Me, I would say to my younger self, yeah, well, similarly, like, I think when I was younger, I was very, very different. I was less outgoing and less extroverted. So I think I would just reassure myself that to keep going, because I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't be who I am if it weren't the things that I went through. So I also agree with the idea of like, just keep, when you love something, just stick to it and embracing the cringe, because that's also going to be a part of you. And when you embrace it, that's going to make, life more enjoyable. So before, it used to be like so hard to embrace the cringe, but now just keep going and go through it and you'll be fine.
And don't let anyone tell you that
Correct.
you're not strong enough. Don't give up. So come on and raise your voice.
But yes, there's a song for
There's a song for everything, even ice cream shakes.
Yes, correct. Okay, I'm good.
I'm not sure if I should go serious or light. Maybe I'll just do both. Yung light would be
Do the best of both.
to young you, which is like sobrang mas malayo than all of you guys because I'm the oldest one here. Travel more because you fly for free. So, hindi ka naman kailangan sa LA lagi pumunta eh. Parang, there are other states. You can even land in LA and then drive ng mas malayo na hindi lang Vegas din. Hindi lang dalawang lugar sa states. Puro ka LA, Vegas. Kasi yung mga tito mo mahilig mag-casino. So, pwede kang pumunta ng Arizona. Yun yung dati mo pag gusto gawin, di ba?
Sa Montana.
Malayo na masyado. Hindi, go! Actually, I just canceled my flight. I was supposed to fly to New York like in 4 days and then fly to Maine and then drive all the way to Los Angeles. But, ice.
Yeah.
So, wag na muna. But, yeah, so that's like the light stuff. The more serious message for self would be, yo, say what you want, do stuff for yourself. You're always thinking of everyone else. Think of yourself a little bit more.
Wow. Deep.
Yeah.
Relate.
Sumiyak. Therapy bigla. Sorry.
Oh, ikaw, Pat.
Sige, ako. Yung not serious one would be watch anime.
Okay.
Anime is cool. Don't knock it till you try it. You need to watch. You need to try it first before you say it's not cool. Your 30 years old self would know. Another thing would be take your piano lessons more seriously. Please, I'm begging you. Please. I regret it now that I'm older.
But we have Hannah Montana to thank
But we have
also.
Hannah Montana to thank for, that one season na nag-hyperfixate ka dun sa album na yan. What else? No spoilers, but it's gonna be a wild ride. Yon. And enjoy life because life's...
Watch you
What
make
you
it.
make it
So let's make it.
rock.
Make it.
Rock.
Ayan.
Oh my gosh. Ako,
And finally,
I mean, very personal. Like, knowing who my younger me was, I'd tell him to, you don't have to stop. You can keep smiling. Like, I had a really long face na just not smiling, just not showing how happy and proud I am of things that I do. But I should. I want my younger self to be proud. Enjoy mo talaga lahat ng ginawa mo. Kasi sobrang special lahat ng ginagawa mo. No one else can do what you do. And now that's what I'm realizing now. I am now embracing the person that I am. And I want my younger self to live that life, knowing that he will grow up being proud of all the achievements that he's about to make. So keep smiling, younger me. So
because you can change your hair.
You can laugh and cry. But
Yes.
everyone can-
You'll always find your way back home. It's such a good song.
it's such a good song. Yes.
Thank you, Taylor Swift.
Yes.
Bumalik na naman kay Taylor Swift. But yeah, I mean, what a wild ride.
Yes.
The best of both worlds, of all the worlds combined.
Because we were able to finally talk about this. We were able to kind of kiss it. So parang beso both worlds.
Yun yung si Ana Marikina.
You get the
Ana
best.
Marikina.
Best of both worlds. Ganyan yung dance step. You get the best of both worlds. Mix it all together.
So, from the Jonas Brother of the Philippines.
I want to say Nick para bida-bida.
Parang Joe ka.
Wow, debatable pala yun. Actually, mas si Joe kasi parang medyo pilyo. Tsaka siya yung asawa ni Sansa Stark, di ba? So parang
Na
magka-crossover.
Big X.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Pala. Crossover nung
Nung previous episode.
Yeah, parang mas Nick eh. Parang mas fun si Nick eh.
Valid.
Yeah, Miley Cyrus would date you. Ganun.
Ay. Ano ba feeling ko kung nangyari yun? Dadalan ko siya ng lumpia.
Lumpia.
Parang, hey, want some lumpia? Tapos bibiling ko sa, alam ko na saan ko bibilin eh. Kasi alam ko, siguro sa Seafood City. Tapos meron din sila doon yung parang platter, pero hindi naka-platter. Isang buong parang tumbler na puro fishball. Talagyan nila ng sauce sa taas. Tapos yun yung papadala parang, hey, Miley, have some fishballs. And, ba't ganun yung accent? And some lumpia. And some fishballs. Here's some lumpia, here's some piatos. Bakit ganyan yung accent? Piatos, lumpia.
But yeah, thank you all for being here. It was a great, fun episode about Hannah Montana and how she affected our lives. And thank you, Hannah Montana. Thank you, Miley. We love you so much. Crazy times that you have unleashed on this world. So thank you for being you. From your fans to you.
And
Thank
also
you.
from a Pilates standpoint, sobrang lakas ni Miley.
Grabe yung
Sobrang lakas
leg
niya.
bend niya in that, the climb performance. Wild.
Damn. Grabe.
Walang momentum siya pag ginagamit niya yung like when she lifts the entire lower body, that's all just core.
Amazing.
Super strong core. Hardcore.
And I think one last take that I want to say, the way she performed Younger You is kind of like her latest album, Something Beautiful. Like, it's so Something Beautiful coded. So, like, pay your respects to Miley's music, and not just Hannah Montana. Because Miley Cyrus yun na yung evolution ni Hannah Montana ngayon.
Yeah.
Yun lang. I'm just gonna stand Miley all along. But thank you, and thank you for watching this episode. You can stream all our previous episodes everywhere on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, and wherever you stream your podcasts. And last promos for Sponge Cola.
Oh yeah, we have a new song with Gigi Delana. It's called Nagihilom. Available everywhere where music streamed. And the video is also out. So yeah. Yay.
Sugar Break, yes. Promote mo na rin yun. Your double life.
Oh yeah, so apparently I'm also living a double life.
Wow.
Some sort of double life. Charot. So anyway, I have this solo music project na it's just instrumental stuff. So it's completely separate from my
It's so
band.
calming. You should listen to it.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate
Listen to it all the time.
That's my A&R. I appreciate that. Pero yun, check nyo sa Instagram or Spotify at Apple Music, wherever you prefer to listen. Yeah, search nyo lang ako.
And the art is amazing.
Oh, thank you. See at Sugar Break.
Yes. Your double life. No, we have to promote Sugar Break. I'm not gonna end this episode.
Mentioned na parang you should smile more. Ito din parang if you make music, just say na hey.
Correct.
See you guys. Stream nyo paulit-ulit. Wala pang 15 minutes yung buong EP.
Super. Like, it's on loop. It's so calming. It's so like, study music. Alam niyo yung nagko-computer na girl sa lo-fi
Lo-fi
beats?
girl.
That's Sugar Break. That's the pegs.
The peg. So yes, stream nyo. Would love.
Pupush ko talaga yan.
Tapos maganda yung art na pinopost ko to like help push for the tracks. Though like hindi naman siya like maraming streams, pero I'm just proud of the art that
It's so good.
So-
Underrated. Deserves flowers like Miley.
Sige.
Yes.
Kaya na ako. Like, it takes me a while to get used to, like, promoting my own stuff. So, I'll go back to promoting my band stuff. So, we'll be releasing a reimagined version ng song namin na Lifetime soon.
So good.
Soon. By the time that this is posted, I'm not sure if the
Dates.
It will be out
Yeah.
by then.
It will be out
In a few days.
in a
We'll
few
stream
days.
Lifetime Reimagined and Sugar Break and Sponge Cola na Nagihilom with Gigi Delana.
Yeah, okay na yun. Nice.
Nice.
Also so good. Like, I was telling El, nagdadrama ako to that song one day, just driving. I was like, grabe. But, yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
Lifetime Reimagined, Sugar Break,
Yeah, that's it.
and laging tatandaan. Sige
lang, sige.
You can still stream the song everywhere, and that was my message to my younger self, which still remains, and to everyone. But with lagyan nyo lang ng boundaries. Huwag niyo masyadong isige dahil yun ang natutunan ko lately. May hangganan din ang sarili mo. Wow. So, watch out for the remixes soon. Yes. We have to put it out in the world para mangyari na, para magawa ko na.
Very
Parang
happy.
Hana lang.
Yep.
Sabi nila, they made it about me, what Miley said. Anyway, yun lang. Remixes soon. Matagal na siya nagluluto pero hindi ko lang siya hinahain. Yes!
Hinahain.
Hain Montana.
Ikaw na lang.
Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys and see you next time. Bye!
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
My debut single, Sige Lang Ng Sige, is now out on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and all digital streaming platforms.